Have you ever imagined your car driving itself? Or maybe creating an AI that can tell your favorite music genre just by listening to a few seconds? Believe it or not, building your own AI is more accessible than you might think. Hey everyone, and welcome to CHEIZ Tech. Today we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence. We'll be building our very first AI together using a powerful tool called TensorFlow. So, what exactly is AI? Artificial intelligence refers to machines that can mimic human cognitive functions like learning and problem solving. It's a vast field, but today we'll focus on a specific type of AI, machine learning. Machine learning lets computers learn from data without explicit programming. Imagine a brain made up of interconnected nodes. That's the basic idea behind artificial neural networks, a core concept in machine learning. Now, building these AI models can get technical, but that's where TensorFlow comes in. TensorFlow is a free and open-source framework from Google that makes creating machine learning models much easier. All right, let's get our hands dirty. The beauty of AI is its vast applications. Today, we have a few fun beginner projects to choose from. CHEIZ classifier for handwritten digits. Train your AI to recognize handwritten numbers like a pro. Basic chatbot. Build a simple chatbot that can answer basic questions and have a fun conversation. Music genre classifier. Let your AI listen to music and identify different genres based on its sound. Which project sounds most exciting to you? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll build the one with the most votes. Looks like you guys want to build a digit detective. This AI will learn to distinguish between handwritten numbers. Let's break it down step by step. Setting up TensorFlow. We'll install TensorFlow and import the necessary libraries. Loading the dataset. We'll use a dataset of images containing handwritten digits. Pre-processing the data. We'll resize and normalize the images for the AI to understand them better. Building the model. This is where the magic happens. We'll create a simple neural network architecture using TensorFlow's layers. Training the model. We'll feed the prepared data into our AI and let it learn to recognize the digits. This might take some time, so grab a snack. While the AI trains, remember, the more data you have, the better it will learn. That's why large data sets are crucial for building high-performing AI models. Training complete. Now comes the moment of truth. Let's test our AI model and see how well it can recognize new handwritten digits. Look at that. Our AI is a digit genius. It can now identify handwritten numbers with impressive accuracy. Remember, this is just a basic example. As you learn more about TensorFlow, you can build even more complex and powerful AI models. So, there you have it. You've successfully built your first AI with TensorFlow. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.